Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a cryptocurrencies chart. The crypto sector has been in a correction. Overall, most altcoins are currently correcting. So they've been in a correction for the last 1 to 2 weeks. So it's important to understand whether we have any trading areas or what the structures are before we get any upside breakouts. So we want to take a look at whether the bullish case is still intact. Let's go. Okay, so we are on our website here, dailymarketupdate.com. You might know this website already if you follow the videos regularly. What we can see here is our cryptocurrencies section. We are going to click on that one and then we can select the AVAX Avalanche chart and we select the daily time frame and we also want to hide the text and then we see the chart here, the overall chart quite well. Important is first of all always I think to get a good idea of what the bigger picture is when we talk about a chart like that. We talk about a cryptocurrencies chart. You know, what is the bigger picture? What is the larger time frame suggesting? What's the context? And you can see that the market already in, I think it was July, August last year, reacted here to one of our trading areas. I can probably zoom in even a little bit. Yeah. So here, one of our trading areas was reached and the market reacted positively, rallied, but could not rally in 5 waves. So the problem is with a rally that happened only in 3 waves, well, it was likely just a corrective rally, so came back into a very, very similar trading area, support area that we are dealing with at the moment. So at the moment, we're dealing with the same trading area, same support area. It's between $13.31 and $24.42. And so we're watching here if the market can generate some kind of an upside reaction from here. And the next breakout point is located at $49.95. And then a third wave rally should send us to $100 plus. This would be ideal. It would send the price higher in a third wave, highlighted here in blue. What we then want to see on the larger time frame is a higher low in wave 4 and a higher high in wave 5. So this would be the overall idea how this should play out. Overall medium to long-term targets here we talk about round about $150 plus. So this is already promising. Let's also take a look at the smaller time frame here on the AVAX chart. And I mean, there isn't really too much more information. However, it is important to recognize that the market is still in a larger trading area. So the market is likely in this wave 2, or the wave 2, so to speak, finished actually back in April. And we are now in this third wave to the upside. But the third wave itself is a 5-wave move itself. Okay, so entirely possible that this here was a wave 1, smaller degree, highlighted in orange, topped in May at $26.83. I mean, that's the current idea. Potential 5-wave move up, even though it looks pretty ugly. And the wave 2, we don't have an additional trading area for this wave 2 pullback, which is playing out right now, this corrective pullback, because we are still in the trading area, so we don't need an additional one. Important is though that to keep this 1-2 setup in orange alive, it's that the wave 2 in orange must hold above the April low, or it will be invalidated. Yeah? Best indication that the third of a third wave, typically the most aggressive rally in a trend, has actually started would be a break above $26.83. So we're not there yet. Okay, there is much more, some more work needed. At the moment, the market overall, broader sector, seems to be in a correction, including obviously AVAX. So we're waiting for signals that this correction is potentially complete. At the moment, though, the correction still seems to be unfolding. I mean, again, there is not really an additional trading area, but once we get a break above the $26.83 level, well, that would be a signal that the market is likely going to rally to $50 plus. That would be the next main level to watch there. What really shouldn't happen in this scenario, as I said, is a break below the April low. Even then, we're likely falling back into the larger degree wave 2. Then the $13.30 level will become relevant. And, well, the invalidation point is at $8.64. Now, the $13.30 level is not an invalidation point. The invalidation point for the larger 1-2 setup in blue is at $8.64. That is the beginning of the larger degree wave 1. There is a bit of wiggle room. There's a bit of a gray area between below $13.30 and above $8.64. But below $8.64, there's really no wiggle room left. So that should give you all the information about the AVAX chart. We still have a broadly bullish outlook here, but we haven't yet seen that breakout signal. but again, it's interesting. The charts are typically interesting when we are in support areas. So I'll keep you updated about the chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Yeah, and if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to register on our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.